Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to download and install comfyui. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go over to this website, github.com/comfy anonymous/comfyui, and this will be the homepage of the link. After that, just simply scroll down, and from here you should be able to see installing tab over here, and you should be able to see direct link to download. So click on this. Just simply select a folder that you want to download it. So I'm going to select this folder and click on open and click on save. And now guys, once it is done downloading, just simply open the file location over here. And after that, just simply right click on it and click on extract here. Now once you extracted it, just simply go ahead and go to this website, git-scm.com/download/win. And from here, just simply choose this one, 64-bit. So if you are using a 32-bit window, just click on this one, but I'm using a 64, so I'm gonna go for this one. And from here guys, just simply select a location and click on save, but I recommend saving it to the file location of comfyui. And once you have downloaded it, just simply go ahead and open it up. And from here guys, just simply click on next and select a destination file, and after that just simply follow the prompt and install this one onto your Windows or a PC. So just simply provide the necessary information to install this. And now guys, once it is installed, just simply go ahead and go to this website, github.com/lcdrdata/comfyui-manager. From here guys, just simply scroll down, and now just simply go ahead and go to this script install manager. So right click on this and click on save link content as, and after that just simply save it into your comfyui. Save it inside the folder and click on save. And after that, just simply go to the file location. And now just simply click on this. And it will automatically install. And from there, guys, you should be able to run the Comfy by clicking on this. So now, guys, if you have an NVIDIA, you can just simply run this app. Or if you don't have, you can just simply click on this. But it will run slower, so I recommend running it with NVIDIA. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.